Hi students, good morning to all. Welcome back to Science 1 class. This is Bhagya. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Okay dears. I am very happy because the pre-annual examination paper is corrected. All are very good marks. I am very happy. Then next day we will prepare the annual examination. Next week we'll start the annual examination. So today we are going to discuss about the revision only. Get ready dears. The portion lesson 1 and lesson 4. Lesson 1 is measurement. Okay. Then lesson 4 heat. The next day lesson 9 matter around us. Then lesson 10 changes around us. These 4 lessons we have to prepare for annual examination. Okay dears. Today revision 2 marks and 5 marks, then important 1 words. Let's move the revision. Okay. Are you get ready dears? Okay, take science book and pencil and science note. First day you have to write the 12 questions in our science note, then note the page number, everything. Okay, then mark in our answers in our book. Okay, first one, define chemical reaction. This lesson is changes around us. Take page number 104. Start with chemical change and end with the product. Okay, this is first question. Then second one, what is pollution? Page number 108. The sixth line, unwanted change. Start with the unwanted change, end with pollution. Okay, have to mark this question number 2. Then third one, what is tarnishing? Page number 109. The shiny metal, start with shiny metal and end with atmospheric air. This is third question. Then fourth one, define alchemy. Page number 95. The bee fully. Question number 4. Then question number 5. Write 3 properties of metalloids. But here giving the 5 properties. Your choice, you have to write any 3. This is fifth question. The next is sixth one, what is ductility? Page number 97. Start with metals and end with copper whites. This is ductility answer. These 6 questions are the chemistry. Okay, matter around us and changes around us. Have to study the 6 questions. The next come to physics. Then seventh question is, what are the applications of conduction in our daily life? Page number 37. Here 4 applications given. You have to write any 3. Okay. The next 8th question. Define specific heat capacity. Very very important question. The specific heat capacity, start with the third line, then end fully. Have to write the formula and then unit, everything have to write. Next, what is conduction? Page number 42, the glossary, the third one. Conduction is meaning. Okay. Then what are the difference between plane angle and solid angle? Page number 5. Table 1.2. Plane angle and solid angle. The 3 points are given. 11th question. What is measurement? Page number 1. Start with measurement and end with the standard quantity. Okay, next name the 3 scales of temperature. This is also important. Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. This 12th question. Okay dears, I given 12 important questions and mark it. So you have to write the question in our note, mark in answers in our book. Okay, you have to study the 12 question. I give any 5 questions, no choice. Listen, no choice. You have to compulsory write the 5 questions, no choice. So study well. Next 5 marks. Next 5 mark questions, 4 5 mark questions for 4 lessons. Each lesson have a 115 mark, but the annual examination not give a choice. You have to study the 4 question. I give any 2 question. You compulsory attend the 2 questions, no choice. Okay, first question, write a short note on different types of clocks. The first lesson, measurement lesson, take page number 5. Here the 1.3.1 types of clock based on display. Only you have to write the types of clock based on display method only. The 2 clock, analog clocks and digital clocks. You have to write only the 2 clock analog and digital clocks. That is enough. Then second question, explain the working of thermoflask. The lesson is heat lesson, page number 41. Start the thermoflask. Okay, the first para, do you know, don't want to write. Okay, then working of thermos flask. Have to write the working of thermos flask and drawing. The next one paragraph. This is 2 mark. This is second 5 mark question. Okay, next third question is tabulate the difference between metal and non-metals. Matter around us lesson, page number 98. Page number 98. Have to write the property metal, non-metal. This is third question. Then fourth one, explain the environmental effects of chemical reaction. Changes around us lesson, page number 108 and 109. The environmental effects are 3 effects. One is pollution, rusting, tarnishing of metal articles. First you have to write the pollution. What is pollution you have to write, then 3 types of pollution write. Next rusting. What is rusting? That is enough. Then third one, tarnishing of metal articles. Already you studied the 2 mark question. The same question have to write the 5 mark. Okay students, I given 4 5 mark questions, then 12 2 mark question. You have to study thoroughly. Next some one words, the important one words, because that one words very very important for up to 12th standard. So you have to study that one words. This 3 tablet column I asked for one words. Okay, this is very very important topic. Up to 12th standard you have to study this one. So this is very important. Page number 96. The lesson is matter around us. You have to study the element name and symbol. Okay, the element name and symbol. For example, aluminium you have to write the Al, barium Ba, beryllium Be, bismuth Bi. That like this fully you have to study. The next element with the same 2 letters, organ Ar, this also. The next Greek or Latin name of elements, this also you have to study. The 3 tablet column is very important. So this is one word, extra one words. Okay, book inside one words. I ask this topic from 10 marks. So you have to study fully the element name and symbol, everything. Okay dears, then 2 marks, 5 marks and 1 marks, study thoroughly and get ready for test. After I will tell the time, which portion, which time test. Okay, 10 o'clock 2 mark test. Okay, then 11 o'clock 5 mark, then 12 o'clock onwards. That's all. 1 o'clock you have to finish your homework. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask me dears. Okay, thank you.